If Photoshop feels too complicated and too expensive, let me show you Photopea. It's completely free, works in your browser, and you don't need a degree to use it. So, in the URL window, just type in photopea.com. You will get this. You go to new project if you want to start from scratch. Here are ready templates for you if you want to do something about Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or if you want something specific, you can add here the width and length of your canvas. It also has some templates available here you can use from. Just double click it, it will open up. Or if you want to work on an image that you have already in your PC, just simply go to File, Open, or Open and Place and find it, or drag and drop it here. Also, there is a very neat thing that is on Photopea. Also from here you can open from your computer. You can go to Templates, and here you can find already made designs for you that you can use. For example, these mockups here. You can use them for print, products, whatever. You can put your logo and put it on a shirt. Something for YouTube, Instagram. You can make memes through it. They have all the templates for memes. And last, let me just show you how the window looks like and the tools. So here you have the tools on the left, and if you are familiar with the Photoshop, you will recognize some of these tools. For example, the crop, the selection, lasso tools, rectangular selection, magnetic lasso, eyedropper, brushes, spot healing, a lot of stuff. And here is the layers window where you can choose the layer. You can show or hide the layer. So there is plenty of stuff you can do in Photopea. So keep watching my videos if you want to learn how to use Photopea, or you can grab my free guide that is in the description right now. Just get the link from there. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.